Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is Zeeshan Hurmaz, and today I just want to talk about a survival game online. I want to give you complete detail about this project, and all the related link about this project will be get in the video description. So you can check them all one by one before you start. A small disclaimer: this is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and distribute most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project. Please make sure if you are new to the channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Zeeshan Hurmaz. So let's get started recording survival game online. So basically the symbol is SURV and get listed on KuCoin. So if you look to the main latest news from the KuCoin, so KuCoin is extremely proud to announce yet another great project coming to our trading platform. Survival game online will be available on KuCoin. Supported trading pair is USDT. So it means that if they are listed on KuCoin, after that you'll be able to buy this one project with the pair of USDT. And I want to give you some important schedule about this one project. You can see right over here. Deposit effectively immediately. Supported network is BEP20, so it means that they are working on Binance Smart Chain. And I also want to show you how can you buy right now this one project. And the listing is on 28th January on 2022. And withdrawal will be on 31 January on 2022. Means that if you want to withdraw this one project from one place to another place, so you will be able to withdraw this one project on 31 January. So basically, if you want to buy this one project, because this is not yet listed on the KuCoin, so I just want to give some important tell you about this one project. If you want to participate in that before listing, so I will be showing in the end of this video. So basically I just want to looking for the main community of this one project. You can see right over here community is almost 15k followers, means that community is also too much better. And if you want to follow the main Twitter account of this one project, you will be get different type of rewards and different type of airdrops, giveaways. You will be get different type of notification from that side, so you must be follow that. After that, I just want to go to the main official website of this one project. You can see survival game online. So basically if you want to play this one game, so you simply click on that. After that you will be able to play this one game, and this is just a simply white paper of this one project. So if you want to study about the white paper, you will be able to understand that what can they done in the past and what will be the use cases in the future of this one project. And after that, this is some detail about VR download. So if you want to download the VR, so you simply click on that. After that you will be able to download the VR as well as. And survival game online, a survival game is online survival simulation game developed on Binance Smart Chain, which will support VR feature in the near future. And basically I just want to go to the main different type of, you can see right over here, survival game. There is no red light, green light, and this is some detail about this one project. Dalgona Candy and Tug of Wars. So you can study about them. They also they directly automatically change their images and glass bridge, and this is all detail about that. I hope you can understand what there's a different type of event. There's a different type of modes of this one game. You can see right over here. And after I just want to scroll down, and this is there's a different type of mode, ladder modes. And if you look to exclusive events and championship mechanism, so after that if you look to the core mechanism of survival game online is right here, participate to earn. All player can obtain the native tokens of the platform. So it means that if you want to play this one game, you will be take a native tokens of the platform. So this is pretty good for this one project. And if you look to play to earn, ladder mining reward are distributed according to players point in the daily, weekly and monthly games. So basically if you want to play this one game, after that there will be ladder mining reward. They distribute the ladder mining reward, and this is all distributed to the main players. And this point are distributed in the period of weekly and monthly in games. After that, I just want to looking for the main staking. Survival games online open single token mining and LP mining to provide long-term high yield for players. So if you want to stake this one project, so after that you will be also gain a passive yield from that side, so you can also stake your token in this one game. And after I just want to give a DAO, and DAO will be immediately launched and take the responsibility to guide and guarantee development of the project. Is some detail about DAO, and I'm just looking for NFT. players show their appearance and gain badge with NFTs. So basically, if you want to play very well in this one game, you will be get different type of, you will be upgrade different type of NFT in this one game. And you know what is NFT. If you don't know about it, you must be visit to my YouTube channel. I already uploaded video about that, what is NFT and how can work NFT in the future, and how can you sell the NFT, how can you create the NFT. So after that, I just want to scroll down, and if you look to roadmap, after to study the roadmap, we directly understood what can they done in the past and what will be the use cases in the future of this one projects. So basically, I'm not looking for the previous events you can see in 2021. I'm just looking for the 2022. There's a different type of events for this one project. You can see right over here. Enrich and add various level to the game. Launch a native NFT marketplace. So they also working NFT, and they just want to launch a native NFT marketplace. And after that, they also want to add the various level to this gun game. And if you look to in 2022, the second event is open the UGC co-creation platform, where everyone can come and build their original games. So they also work on UGC, and that means they also want to build a platform who can everyone who can create their own game and play in this one platform. And in Enrich various tournament mechanisms, they also want to work to add different type of tournament to this one project. And after that, I just looking for the in 2022, this is a third event for this one project. So launch championship mechanism, they also want to launch a championship mechanism. So this is a pretty good for that. So if you want to participate in that, this is also entertaining game, and this is, you can also make fun money just by entertaining. And after that, I want to recommend you must be join the Twitter account of this one project, Discord, Telegram, and as well as, because of you will be get different type of notification of rewards, giveaways, and airdrops. You must be participating in that. After that, if you look to the main contracted of this one project, so how can you buy this one project before listing? So first of all, you simply copy this one address. I will place in the description box. After that, you must be go to the pancake swap, and after that, you simply click on that and place this one address right over here. So after that, simply click on import, because you know survival will become right over here. Anyone can create a BP20 token on BEC with any name, including create fake version of existing token and token that claim to represent projects that do not have a token. But right now I'm copying this one address from the main official website. So I just want to click on that. I understand, and after that I just want to click on import. So if you click on import, and after that you must be connect your wallet with MetaMask or Trust Wallet. It's all depend upon you which one account you have. So you simply click on that. After that, your wallet pancake will connect to Trust Wallet or MetaMask. If you don't know how can you add Trust Wallet or MetaMask to extension box, so first of all, you simply search about web Chrome store. After you simply go open in there this website, and after you will be get right over three lines, and you can just click on the search bar, and simply you will be edit from that sides MetaMask to your extension box. After you simply connect with them, and after you simply click on connect, and you will be able to sweep up with the pair of BNB or survival game. So basically, if you don't able to buy this one project, so you simply click on the setting button, and you can manage the main slippage for this one project. So you simply add almost 11% slippage for this one project. After that, you will be you will be not get any restriction in the buying time. So simply you click on that. After that, you will be able to sweep up this one project easily. You can see right over here slippage is almost 11%. So this is all detail about that, how can you buy this one before listing, and this is all about survival game. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss an update from Zeeshan Hurmaz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thanks a lot.